I have the StylPro 4-liter beauty fridge here with me, which is a very small fridge for beauty products and medicines, and also drinks, I'm hoping, because that's what I got it for. To open, you just have this small flap, and inside we have this, and remove this extra packaging. It seems to have minimal packaging. It's wrapped in this plasticky bag. And then so let's take it out, and you will see it's wrapped in this vacuum sealed looking plastic. It's very tightly sealed all around. And now let's take out. Okay, so I can handle it. Doesn't turn or anything, it's just a plastic little bits, and it's quite strong, the magnets, so you have to pull with quite a bit of force. And inside we have the instruction manual, so fairly simple really. I'm not going to follow that too much. And inside we also have some stickers, so they're 3-pin UK plug as well, adapter, one actually, if you want to keep it in the bathroom. And then that's pretty much everything inside, so now let's set it up. To open it is very difficult. It's not something you can just open like you would a fridge, so I think the handle could have been better. So yeah, this is how I'm having to open it. You have to actually hold the fridge and then pull away to open. And then it's nice, it has this little handle at the top. It makes it easy to carry around, and it's fairly light. And then at the back you have the power switch, so you have the up for cold, so it will cool it down to 20 degrees less than the room temperature, up to a maximum of -2 degrees. And then you have the bottom for heating up, so if you had a heat pack or something, then you could use it to heat up. And then inside we have this tray, so which comes out. So now let's test it out by putting some drinks in. So this is a general 330-liter can, so let's see how many of these we could fit in. So if we take that in, it looks like there's one we can put in, and then there's enough space to actually put in 4 at the bottom. So it's got enough space for 2 cans at the top and then 4 at the bottom. So you'd be able to fit in 6 cans in total. But let's try some other cans. So here I have some thinner cans. You can fit in about 6, 7 of those. So you can obviously take out the shelf as well and try in different combinations. And if you have like different size cans, you'd be able to fit them in as well. So it generally seems to be able to fit about 6 cans at a time. And then if we take even smaller cans, so these are 150 milliliter cans, let's see how many of these we can fit in. So we've got 3 at the top, and then we're going to keep going. Will it fit 5? Let's see. No, it won't fit 5, so that's too many. So generally about 6 cans you can fit in, and then if you remove the shelf, you could actually fit in about 8 of these. So I don't have 8 right now, but you would be able to fit 8 of them in if I had 8. And if you've got other cans, you can put those in as well. So if I try and put all of this in, put these cans in, so here's one, second. And the other cool thing is you have a smaller space for, like, let's say your skin care, if you have anything like that, or anything smaller that you want to keep cool. And it has this compartment for like your some makeup or like your skin care as well, if you have anything like face masks and so on. So it's all full right now. So I just want to test the magnet strength of the fridge door. So if I tip it over, you can see it's able to hold it all in. So hopefully if you accidentally tip it like that, you shouldn't see it open. Obviously if it falls down it will, but it's different. And then yeah, so let's come back to it in a couple of hours and see how cold it is. Okay, so it's been about 5 hours, so let's open it up. Oh wow, this is really cool. It's really cold. It's actually really nice and cool in there, and all of them are pretty much cold. And this one's really nice and cold. Kind of see the cold. Look at the bottom. See that? It's really nice and cold. So yeah, it works quite well. See that?